Jane from GC Gel Productions, and I'm here at the NEC for the Spring Caravan and Camping Show, where we're going to be seeing holiday homes like the one trade behind me. We're going to see tents, we're going to see camper vans, and we also have rock climbing, face painting, wildlife presentations. There's so much going on here, so let's go and have a look around, shall we? How does anybody choose? Section, every different size of tent you can imagine, and there is such a huge selection of different makes, colours, styles. You can also come to this section and get all of your camping equipment, so you can get your blow up beds, you can get your cookers, you can even get your dried food, and my favourite is it also has the climbing wall. Cool. The show runs from the 19th to the 24th of February here at the NEC Birmingham.